How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to register for a TikTok business account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and assuming that you guys have a regular TikTok account going, then this process should be pretty simple. So all you'd have to do is log into your TikTok, and I should mention that there are two ways to do this, both on the mobile device, or I should say the mobile app, as well as the browser, like the website. So assuming that you guys are on the browser like I am, here's what it looks like. So basically, from here, what you need to do is sign into your TikTok account. So that one is pretty straightforward. And you want to navigate to the top right corner of your screen. And basically, this little icon right here. And when you click on your icon, there should be an option to register for a business account. So this is like an alternate profile for your TikTok account where you can do business. So you can do stuff like sell digital products, advertise your dropshipping site if you wanted to and whatnot, and basically make money with your videos through ads. Now you can have like a certain niche that appeals to your audience to help kickstart your business account for TikTok. So the way to actually do it is you want to click on settings in the top right corner, be it the browser website or the app, and on the business account tab, you want to click on the toggle button. So toggle the business account to on, and this will basically I don't want to say convert, but more like temporarily switch your profile into a business account. It even says so here. This will open a new view where you can start setting up your business account. So the setup process is also pretty simple. You basically just follow the on-screen instructions and fill out the boxes. So enter your business name, the address, the type of store you're trying to get going, like the niche that that you want to cover, as well as the address and payment gateways. So it's pretty much a no-brainer. Just basically just sign up for, or rather, if you have a TikTok account, just click on your profile icon and toggle the business account button on, as it's a feature that's available to everyone. But if it's your first time doing it, then you would have to set up your business. So this reads, need to do is download TikTok, be it the App Store or the Google Play Store. Download, set up your free business account. So in the app, click on the um, profile icon, your page, settings, privacy, manage, switch to business. And here you can actually configure the settings for your business account on TikTok, and you can start making money. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.